Assalamu alaikum. This is Sayyid Muhammad Waqas, the head of Pingu's English School and Eureka School System. Pingu's English School and Eureka School System, the UK-based brand dealing from a playgroup to O-level, and in Pakistan we launched in 2014, and currently we have got 6 operational centers in Karachi. We aim that the children should be equipped with the latest technology. They should be aware what is exactly happening, and that's how the Pingu English School is brought to Pakistan. The entire curriculum, if you see, this curriculum is developed by a very well-known university, Kingston University, London. They have developed this entire curriculum by the specialized of early years education. This Pingu English School does respect every learners, and they do understand that every child is unique, and they learn in their own capacity. Pingu English School has developed the different areas for the interest of the children, because the entire curriculum revolves around the students' interest, and they focus on the students' interest all the way. Here we have got the wheel that I can show you, so you can have an idea that how this wheel is revolving around all the developments of the kids. We do focus on the kids' physical development. We have got multiple activities for our children. Children love skating. That's one of the major sports they love on every Wednesday. We've got basketball, football, we've got physical education for the kids, and yes, kids go for the swimming classes as well. And since we have developed the water play area, that is in order to make children comfortable with the swimming classes. Furthermore, we have got the intellectual development of the kids, that's obviously catering this learning packs. Then we have got the linguistic. In Pingu's English School and Eureka School System, we're catering multiple languages. We're having English for sure. We want our children to be very good at Urdu language. We are working on the Chinese language, Arabic and Spanish. Children, they learn all of these languages from a very young age. And since it's scientifically proven as well, children in the young age can absorb more than 6 languages, and that's how we have adopted in a very young age to develop the children's language skills. Emotional development. There are different activities which are designed for children to get emotionally development and also social development as well. If we talk about the technology aspect, Pingu's English School, the children, they are learning the robotics. We're using Urdu 2.0, that's a device, and we're using the Mindstorm EV 3.0, and children are competing with the robotics, and they are making it very fun learning for them as well. We want our children should be sharp enough. That's how we have introduced the mind mass, and children are learning mind mass with the different activities as well. The most important thing when we talk about this modern education, we want children should be blended with the Islamic education as well. We are providing the Islamic core education, and yes, alhamdulillah, our children are learning the Quranic education in a school. And our mission is that our children should complete Quran in a school so that they can learn the world and the eternity both at the same time. I hope this whole thing would really benefit the viewers who are watching.